Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your personal hotspot. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen, and this will show you a bunch of toggles, and obviously we're looking for hotspot 1, so for me it is visible on the first page, but just know that there's multiple pages if you don't see it here. Once you see this button, you want to hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And you do want to navigate into the settings as under the hotspot password. If you click on it, you can see we have a randomly generated one. Now we can get rid of this one and set up our own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers. And once you click on OK, this will save it. That's the only thing that you really need to change. Everything else can stay as it is. Next, find the toggle, and this time around just simply tap on it. It gets enabled, and that's it. You can now connect to your hotspot. Right now we have 6, which leads me to believe, yep, there we go, that we might be using, yep, Wi-Fi 6, so... This is just all kinds of weird. So we have Wi-Fi 5, which includes 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, or more like or. So it picks one, and then we have Wi-Fi 6, which includes 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. If this is Wi-Fi 6, where is the 6 gigahertz one? So, in general, I guess this doesn't really matter. If you are struggling with finding your hotspot on your device, you might want to go back here and change it to Wi-Fi 5. And also go into AP bands and maybe set it to specifically 2.4 gigahertz or you can do the dual band. Now, depending on how you want to run your hotspot and what your other device that you want to connect with supports, you can do a couple things. So we have several options. The dual band basically includes both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, while the two other ones obviously just lock it to using one band at a time. And if I were to select the 2.4, you will see that Wi-Fi now became enabled, while when I was using both at the same time, it was using the same band that it would normally use for Wi-Fi. So with 2 enabled, hotspot will basically occupy both the hotspot lane and the Wi-Fi one. That's probably the simplest way to describe it. But if you choose for the hotspot to only use one, which for instance I selected the 2.4, that leaves the 5 gigahertz one free for Wi-Fi. So that's why you can use now both. So anyway, once you set it up, you can obviously close this, and once you're done using your hotspot, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it on and off at any time. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.